Hello students, today we will continue our class with a new topic named as adverbs. In this we will see what is adverb and its kinds. Adverb are those words which modifies verb, adjective and other adverb. This is the definition of adverb. The words, again I am repeating, words which modifies means tells more about verb, adjective or other adverb. Now guys, see from your book. Now listen here. An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. These are such type of words which tells more about verb, adjective or another adverb. It adds something to the meaning of the verb. When their adverb are used, they add more meaning to verb, the adjective and the adverb. That means it add more meaning to verb, adjective, adverb, or we can say it tells more about verb, adjective and the adverb. Just as an adjective tells us more about a noun, in the similar manner as if adjective tells about noun. Now see the example. She is very tall. Very is describing tall. So very here is adverb. Here tall tells what she is like. The word tall is telling what she is. That means she is tall. But very tells us how tall she is. But very is describing how much she is tall. Very tells more about tall, an adjective. Therefore, very is an adverb. Now, it modifies in a three way. Just see here. An adverb modifies a verb. Here you see, adverb is modifying verb. She stitches beautifully. How she stitches? Beautifully. That means this beautifully word is telling more about the stitches. An adverb modifies an adjective. Example, she is so pretty. Pretty here is adjective and it is modified by so. An adverb modifies another adverb. Example, do not drive too fast. Here fast is adverb and too is again modifying the fast. Now we talk about kinds of adverbs. There are different kinds of adverbs you are seeing here. They are as follows: manner, time. They can be said as adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of relative, exclamatory, place, degree, interrogative, affirmation and negation. These are the examples of, or we can say it's a kind of adverb. They are 9 in number. Not example, they are the kinds. Thus. Now, first of all, we discuss about adverbs of manner. These adverbs tells us how or in what manner the action takes or took place. These type of adverb tells us in what way the action happened. It answers the question how. If we use the word how, whatever reply comes, that is the adverb of manner. He speaks eloquently. They arrived promptly at 6 o'clock. These are the example. Some adverbs of manner are anxiously, boldly, bravely, calmly, cheerfully, and so on. Many more are there. These are the examples of, or we can say, these are the words which tells the adverb of manner. Adverbs of place. These adverbs tells us where or at what place the action takes or took place. These are such type of words which tells where the action happened. It answers the question where. When we use the word where, the reply will comes. That will be the adverb of place. My friend lives there. Here there tells where my friend lives. Some adverbs of places are inside, outside, where, nowhere. These are the words are there which are used for adverb of place. Adverbs of place sometimes express movements like, they also tell the movements, backwards, upwards, westwards. These are the words. Some adverbs of places also act like a preposition. They are used as prepositions also, such as these include behind, around, across, along. Now we talk about adverbs of time. These adverbs tells us when or at what time the action takes place or will take or took place. These are the thing. So these are such a type of words which tells the at what time the thing is happened or going to be happen. It answers the question when. When we put the question when, the reply becomes, that is adverbs of time. Example, they will come tomorrow. Here tomorrow tells the time when they will come. So when the action comes in tomorrow. Some adverbs of time are ago, yet, today, tonight, yesterday, now, then, just, already. As these are the words which tells the time. Sometimes a group of words functions as adverbs. Sometimes we see some group of words are there which act as a adverb of time and are also called as the adverb phrase of time. Examples, they left at once. At once is telling the time. Now we discuss adverbs of degree. These adverbs tells us about the extent or the degree to which something happens. These are such type of words which tells how much the thing is there, at what time, or what how much time we say, or we can say how much it is done. That tells here. It answers the question how much or to what degree. If we use these words, the reply will get, that is adverb of degree. Example, Sania has almost finished. So almost is the degree adverbs of degree. In the first example, the adverb of degree almost modifies the verb finished. In the second example, you see the adverbs of degree very modifies the adjective informative. In the third example, the verb of degree very modifies the adverb carefully. Hence, the adverb of degree may modify a verb, an adjective, and another adverb. Some adverbs of degree are much, barely, enough. These are the words which are adverbs of degree. So guys, today we will stop our class here itself and will continue the same topic in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.